Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the Seahorse. Here we go. And whether I'm going to get this lovely curve in when we're filming it, I'm not sure, but fingers crossed we do. Here he is. We'll give a little twirl round. All right. It's just two balloons, and you must you do need to get all of you need a bit extra of the balloon. So what I do, you have to stretch it, but not this. All right. You have to get your finger and thumb and pull it through your finger and thumb like that. And also the same with the 160. There you go, get your 160. So you need just a little bit extra, 3 or 4 fingers extra, and that will help. So inflate your first balloon, leaving about 5 fingers uninflated. All right. You need 2 1 finger pinch twists. So get your 2 1 finger bubbles there. Get the knot, tie it around the second bubble, and then take the knot over the top. Give you 2 pinch twists. And in case I forget, if you could hit down here the subscribe button, or the there's a bell button as well, I think. So and tell a few friends about BalloonTube. That would be lovely. All right. So there's your 2 pinch twists. You need a 3 finger bubble. So squeeze the air along. A 3 finger bubble. Squeeze the air along again. Another 3 finger bubble, and a 1 finger pinch twist. All right. So this one goes to this one. So just pull it apart, twist it, go for it, be brave. All right. Squeeze the air. You need another 3 finger bubble, which is going to go around here. All right. And now you need a 4 finger bubble. Now, bit of a change. A 4 finger bubble. All right. And that's going to go onto the pinch twist. So that's going to be the top of the Seahorse's head. So it should hopefully sit a little bit like this. There we go. Alright, you need a 5 finger bubble. Squeeze the air, and then you need a 4 finger bubble, a 1 finger pinch twist. Alright, there's a 5, a 4, and a 1 finger pinch twist, although to be honest that is probably about a 1.5. So, you know, twist this together, and then you come back another 4 finger bubble, and goes round there, and then squeeze the air, and you need another 4 finger bubble that goes to the bottom of the pinch twist. And the rest of that balloon is going to be the tail. But we're going to, there are some ridges here. If you just go like that, it just helps to get the ridges out. Okay, it makes it a bit smoother. We'll put the curl in right at the end, all right? So now, what we need is your 160. This is a bit, I'll put it over here. And you need 6 fingers uninflated on this, 6 fingers. Leave a long, when you tie the knot, leave some excess here. All right, I'll explain in a second. You're thinking, oh, I wonder what that's for, Graham. I'll tell you in a minute. So you need 2 1 finger bubbles. Don't forget you have to pre-stretch this one as well. All right, and it's the same as the mouth of the Seahorse. You go twist it around, take the knot over the top, and then that with 2 pinch twists. All right. Now this excess, what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around here, because this could come undone. So if you just get the end of the balloon, just wrap that around there, that locks it in place. Right, these are going to be the eyes, but there's a bit of excess there, you see, so you can pull that back into the head section. Squeeze the air here, so again you've got uninflated on both sides. Right? And this, let's get that a little bit better, the uninflated on that side, that's it. That bit there, you pull back, and that goes round the pinch twist at the back of the head. Alright? There we go. Do that once more, make sure it stays in place. And then you've got to push his eyes in. Alright. So definitely lift up the 4 finger bubble. And put one eye either side. I always find one eye either side is the way to go. Unless you're making Peppa Pig, then you want to make both eyes on the same side. But that's debatable as well, isn't it? Right, so the eyes go in there, so you can see. And you then need a squeeze the air along. You need a 3 finger bubble, a 2 finger bubble, and a 3 finger bubble. Alright. And then that goes around the pinch twist again. And get this head the right way up, otherwise it's going to look a bit odd. You've got one eye sticking a little bit further out than the other. There we go. Right, so you should 3 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger. Now coming down, you want 3 1.5 fingers. 1, 2, 3 1.5 fingers, bubbles. That goes around the bottom of the neck. Wrap that around a couple of times. Alright. Squeeze the air. You need another 1.5 finger bubble. 1 finger pinch twist. Alright. And now you need a 6 finger, a 4 finger and a 4 finger. That's for one of the seahorse's wings. So a 6 finger. Squeeze there a bit, 4 finger, another 4 finger. Right, now go around the pinch twist. And you do exactly the same again. And another squeeze the air a roll, and another 6 finger. You can, if you're not quite sure, match them up, just, 6 to 4 and a 4. There you go. And then that will go round the 6, 4 and a 4, that goes round the pinch twist. And then you need one more 1.5 finger bubble. Let's get this up to the right place. Just like that. Because I just throw the wing like that and pinch it on the wrong part. Now you need another 1.5 finger bubble, and that's going to get attached around the pinch twist there. So let the air out. In your favourite method, whatever you do, don't use your teeth. Right, so then a 1.5 finger bubble, tie that in a knot, and then that will get wrapped around the pinch twist. Wrap it around a couple of times. You can either push it into the body or cut it off. I'm going to cut it off, there you go. Here's the scissors. Hey, they do show an appearance now and again, not too often. Right. Now, this bubble here, just above the wings, I like to open the back of the body up and just gently push that, because it helps the wings get a little bit nicer. There we go. Right. There's your seahorse's wings. And there he is. I don't do any marker pen on this either, because I think the glue in there looks nice already. Now, we've got to try to get the towel. So here we go. So what you have to do, curl it under, but as you're curling it under, just gently squeeze the outside of the glue. So gently, as you're going, just gently squeeze the outside of the glue. Just gently squeeze. Last one, gently squeeze. And then go back again. Just gently, so it's just the outside you're squeezing, and you can squeeze the centre bit there. You can just either side, you can just squeeze that, and then hopefully I like to have the which way round do it? I always forget this. That's it. So the pinch twist goes at the front, and this goes like that. There you go, and well, that's not too bad, is it? There you go. So there's our seahorse, and. There we go. Thanks for watching. Hope it's of help, and we might see you again another time on BalloonTube. So it's bye from me, and it's bye from the seahorse. All right, bye. Thanks for watching.